Today I'll be talking about how do you post a webbook changes from your job or from your project into a Slack channel. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to make sure the status update of this job is being posted to our Slack channel. Now to do that, what you're going to do is you go to settings, you go to your integrations, right? You go to your integration, then down there you go to Slack notification. Come on. All right. Go to your Slack notification. Now in this Slack notification, we are going to configure webhooks. Now, the webhooks that you're going to configure, you need to get the webhook from your Slack um, app channel rather. So what you're going to do is you go to your webhook in your Slack. You are going to create a new webhook for that particular case, for that particular application, which is in this case is Gitlab. So we are going to create a Gitlab webhook on Slack. As you can see, I'm in my Slack app. This is my Slack um, app. So I'm going to create a webhook, and this is my webhook in this case, just for this demo. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the URL of this webhook, copy, and I'm going to go to my notification, which is right here, and paste in the webhook and say this is the name of my webhook. Now, after you've done that, you have the option of configuring a couple of things like the branches that you want to be tracking. Do you want to be tracking the default branch, the protected branch, or both of them, or all branches? In this case, I'm selecting all branches. Now, this is the webhook. This is the name of my webhook app that is going to appear on my Slack channel. Now, you have the option of configuring a couple of things here. Do you want to trigger updates? Slack update for push, for issue creation, for merge request on your project, those kind of things. For pipeline, pipeline changes, for deployment, you have the option of selecting all those. After you've selected your option, just go ahead and test and save. Test and save. Good. So waiting for GitLab. So once your changes have been saved and posted, what you need to do is go to the channel that you configured on your webhook. In this case, I configured the channel in this case to be test. Therefore, anything that is being posted to this webhook is going to be sent to the test channel. So what is going to happen in this case is I'm going to go to the test channel. Oh, sorry. I'm going to go to the test channel in this case, and I'm going to look at, for the first time, you are going to see this, that there's an integration that has been added to this channel, which is from Slack. Now, when you first do your push, when you first make changes to your GitLab project, it is going to be posted on this particular location, which is on this particular test channel. Now, let's confirm that this is actually working the way that we intended to be working. Now, what you're going to do is find any job and just run it in this particular project that we configured. Okay, I'm running this job. The job is running. The goal of this job is to scan a container and scan the container for vulnerability and output the results of that scanning. So now after this job has finished execution, the status updates, the changes, the triggers should be posted on the test channel in Slack. All right, let's see. All right, the job is still running. Okay, the job is still running. Okay, it's scanning the container and okay, the result has been posted and the job is succeeded. So let's see. Okay, the job has finished. Let's go and check Slack for the change. Boom, as you can see, the new message, right? It shows like in a pipeline, which is this, has passed. As you can see, it passed in this case. So this is a way of configuring webhook for GitLab for those that have more question about customization, please go to Gitlab documentation page for more information. They have very good documentation on how to do this stuff. Thank you.